Well, good Sunday morning to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home in the sticks. Hope everybody's having a showing off good Sunday, and I hope everybody had a good weekend. But I'm going to tell you, here in East Central Mississippi, it's about 70 degrees and it's been raining. Before we get started on this video, I always like to mention that if you are new to the channel, we want to welcome you. If you're returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over, I sure enough thank you for coming back. What I want to share with you and y'all today is I'm going to show you what we've been doing over the weekend, and I'm going to show you some stuff that I got growing on over here. So give me a second, that's what we fitting to do's. I'm here to tell you we have had rain over here probably for the last 4 days. Saturday it dried up a little bit, we had some sprinkles. Today is Sunday, the sun is out, hopefully everything will dry out so we can get to planting out some more stuff. But let me show you what's growing on over here in the earth garden on the south side of the 40. And my weeds growing quite nicely. Oh, look there, I don't know what kind of flower that is. Well, I thought they were weeds, I'm glad I didn't pull them. Look at all them maters over there showing enough getting that grow on. I ain't gonna lie. Got a bunch of flowers on, some fruits on these plants. Got a bunch of flowers on these plants. These on this line haven't started producing fruit yet, but there is a bunch of flowers, I'm here to tell you. I'm gonna break it so you can get you in there, see it? Yeah. Look at there. We are showing enough tickled pink over this thing. And these are the green dragon cucumbers. And this plant is actually loaded with them. And we are at about almost 6 foot high on this 11-foot trellis. These jokers are showing off, getting that grow on, sucking down the water like crazy. We actually planted out another green dragon right there. Hope you can see it. Look at there. Skylar's just tickled pink over that. She stops and looks at these things every dang day, dang near. But everything else is looking good. The grow bag maters are going, getting that grow on. These are the yellow toms from Norway. I have a correction. The plant that actually snapped in the high winds is a pink bumblebee mater. Put some splints on him, and he appears to be growing because we got some fruit right there. And everything is still green. The top's real green. Flowers all over it. And here's some more of our yellow toms. This guy right here is filled with fruit. It's all over the place. I got to do some pruning. There's a whole bunch of it right there. Hope you can see it. I'm pretty interested to see what these yellow toms look like from Norway and how they taste. So we're gonna have a whole bunch of them, hopefully. The pepper plants are still getting that grow on, as well as, something been eating on one of our chamomile plants. Probably gonna be a rabbit, I'm pretty sure. But the earth garden is growing really well, minus whatever's eating the chamomile leaves. Yeah, be all right. We'll rock on with it. All of the berry containers are doing pretty good. This guy's starting to set on some fruit, and these are the blackberries. That's pretty cool to see. I don't know what's going on with these guys. I'm thinking the birds may be getting these berries as they form on these blueberry bushes. Here is the Willamette raspberry. It's showing off growing, but I don't see anything fruit-wise on it. Let's go and walk over here to the north side of the 40. Let me show you what's going on with these raised beds over here. Oh, Lord. Saturday morning, I got in these 16-foot raised beds, and I sure enough got after it. Got this no-till side done up real good. Haven't decided what we're gonna plant in it, but I know we're gonna be planting in it pretty soon. We actually had some green dragon cucumbers come up, but none of the Blue Lake pole beans actually came up. I'm probably gonna attribute that to birds. I don't know, because it's odd that we had some cucumbers come up and not the beans. And there is our black diamond watermelons. Showing off getting that grow on, and they looking really good too. We have to train these guys to start growing outwards. Stuff's growing. Let's go and look at these purple hull peas over here. Look at there. Purple hull peas showing off growing. There's the other line of peas that Skylar and I planted out. This row didn't do all that well. I'm thinking this was a row that we were actually testing the Covington planter out. Once I kind of figured out how to run it, I did this row, and as you can see, I must have figured it out because we got some peas growing. This side over here is looking good. Kind of put these peas too close together, so it's hard to run the Maritilla in between it. So I've been using a little bitty small gas powered cultivator to get in between the rows, but as you can see, I got to get back in them rows. But we got peas growing. Kind of thinking this soil over here is extremely wet. I was going to try to get in here this afternoon and re-till it up, but I don't think that's going to happen because the grass is starting to pop up. But it's okay. One thing at a time. Skylar got me an early Father's Day present. Look at there. She found me a little bitty small trailer to put my lawnmower on because, Lord, I've been cutting grass. We got to go to the gas station, put some gas in it and fill up some fuel jugs. That's a pretty nice little trailer right there. So y'all, that's what we have been doing over the weekend and the last couple of days. It's probably been about 4 days before I uploaded anything. It's just been raining. Not much going on inside, but we have a lot going on outside. Just too hard to get any video or filming anything outside when it's raining, especially when it's sure enough raining. So again, I hope everybody is having a sure enough good Sunday, and I hope everyone is still being safe amid this crisis that we still have going on. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up, they help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home and Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over here and give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff, like trying to catch up with stuff I couldn't do. With that being said, you know it's coming down, referee showing enough, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dog your shine. And I mean nobody, you show enough, get your shine on, get your grow on, be you. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.